Money motivates me.
I love money. I get motivated by money. And earlier today, I just got paid my very first payout from Twitch. This first Twitch paycheck will be the first step towards Twitch domination, YouTube domination, and more dogs. By the way, guys, my name is Jill. I am a streamer on Twitch and a wannabe vlogger here on YouTube. If you guys like my video, please do click the like and the subscribe button. It'll really help me out. And if you guys have any suggestions or anything that you would like me to know, please do write it in the comment section. I read the comment section all the time. Of course, all this thanks to my subs and to my followers on Twitch. I never would have done it without you guys. Let's get right to the chase. You guys want to know how much I made, how much a small streamer like me made. I started Twitch last April 3, 2020. April 10, I got affiliate status. I am just a small streamer for now. I have about 467 followers. I have 82 subs and a few cheers and bits. There's like a threshold that you have to reach, and that threshold is $100. So I was able to get paid earlier today, May 15. And this is how much I earned for my very first payout.
This, guys, is my channel analytics page on Twitch. And these are my statistics for this month. This is my total revenue for this month. View payout history. I will show you guys my payout history. My very first payout. So this is what I got. I got 128 US dollars. The payout method that I selected, which is really good, is e-check local bank transfer. This is actually a really good payout method, especially if you're outside America, because it doesn't have that much charge. I did some computing and I saw that they only deducted about $5 in transaction fee, which is good. And I will show you where that money came from. So my payout was $128, and this is my revenue for the whole month of April 1 to 30. I started streaming April 3. I started affiliate status April 10. So April 10 to 30. The revenue that I got is 136.11. I guess there's like some kind of cutoff, so they only gave me 128. By that time, I had 61 subscriptions. Let's check the revenue. Yeah, I got a lot of subscriptions on this stream. Lots of gifted subs. Yeah, I remember this, and random people subbed. It's really cool. I remember my first ever sub on stream. I cried. I will show you the clip. It's pretty cool visually. Thank you for subscribing! Oh! Oh my gosh! I can't believe people are subscribing to me even if I don't have emotes yet. You guys, I will give you emotes. Please just wait 1 week. 1 week. Okay? I'm gonna give it to you. And I'm gonna make sure that I'm crying. I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna give everything that I can to make your money's worth. Anyway. Paid subs. So this is the breakdown of that revenue. Paid subs, 26. Prime subs, gifted subs. See, a huge chunk is from the gifted subs. If I didn't get gifted subs, I wouldn't have reached the $100 threshold. So thank you guys for gifting subs. Thank you so much for gifting subs. Uza Panda, Okami, Painwheel. Thank you guys so much. Shout out to you guys. Thank you so much. And also for the bits from cheering. Yeah. And that's it. This is one that I'm surprised. Ads did not get a lot of revenue, which is surprising because I know in YouTube you get money from ads, and here on Twitch you don't get much money from ads. So it's kind of making me think how I'll be able to earn on YouTube anyway. That's a completely different story. So here it is. There is my revenue, guys. Mind you, this does not show the donations. I wouldn't want to show you guys the actual page of my donations to protect the identity of the people that donated to me. However, in donations for the month of April, I guess I got about $100. Yes, I think 100. So the total payout that I received would be around $200 for the month of April. Half from donations and half from Twitch income. So that's pretty good for my first month. I'm actually really happy. There's my video, guys, and thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspires you guys to start taking streaming seriously, because anybody can start streaming. I can tell you that. Anybody can start streaming, anybody can get it on a computer and start streaming their gameplay. That is easy. But taking streaming seriously, that is how you make money. That is how you dominate the Twitch platform, which is my goal. So guys, help me reach that goal, guys. Visit my Twitch and subscribe. Only if you want to. I'm not forcing you, but I was told I was pretty entertaining. Thank you so much to my viewers, to my followers, to my subs. I love you all. Thank you so much, and see you on my next video. And see you on my next stream. Twitch.tv/JacTheRipper. See you guys. Like, I swear, I'm so overwhelmed by happiness. Money motivates me. You know what my goal is? My goal is to dominate the Twitch platform. I will be the next Pokemon. You guys will see it. You guys will witness it.